Hello, my name's Russell and I'm a dispensing optician with At Home Healthcare. My job is as a dispensing optician and also a low vision optician, which means I can see people with vision that cannot be corrected with glasses and prescribe lights, magnifiers, and other aids that might help maximise the vision that they have. The company I work for is only a home visit company. We don't have a physical practice for people to visit, so I get to travel all over southeast Wales, visiting people in their own home and trying to help maximise the vision that they have. I started in optics 18 years ago. I studied first of all to become a dispensing optician and did my degree with Abdo College in Kent. While working full-time in a practice in Newport. Once I'd finished that, I decided that I'd like to specialise in low vision and supplying magnifiers and things like that to people that need them, and then was accredited to the Low Vision Service Wales about 2 years later. So I've been doing that now for about 8 years. Not only do I talk to optometrists who test eyes, I also refer to pharmacists for medication reviews, doctors for helping patients who are experiencing falls, social workers, specialist social workers called rehabilitation officers for the visually impaired, to help make homes safer, help people keep on their feet rather than having falls, which then cause problems for their general health, and also to speak to people like Care and Repair to arrange for home adaptations to help make their houses, people's houses safer.